Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can leave a clan in Clash Royale application. Keep watching the video till the end. To leave a clan in Clash Royale, firstly go ahead and open up your Clash Royale application. The home page or battle page of Clash Royale will appear on the screen. Tap on clan option at the bottom of the page, or you can simply swipe the screen to the left side. Now to leave a clan on Clash Royale, tap on the clan that you want to leave and from the popped up option click on leave. Confirm leaving a clan by tapping on OK, and that is how you will be able to leave a clan in Clash Royale quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.